Fast Life Nick.
Fuck you.
Why does it fuck me?
Don't fucking record me, nigga.
This is my YouTube. This is my new YouTube video. So this how you feel to my YouTube channel?
Yep. Fuck brick keys. Fuck whatever you call it.
Nigga, fuck you. The fuck I do to you?
Nigga, you stole my hood idea, nigga. That's my hood, nigga. You gonna buy it. Oh, ass, nigga.
It's not my fault. It's not my fault. I got the manyan. I got the manyan.
Nigga, I got the money.
I got the manyan. He mad I bought the hoodie for him, y'all. But if I ain't tell y'all, I bought a red eye jailbreak Charger 300 hood. And he's salty that I bought the hood before him. But it is what it is. I still love you, Fast Life Nick.
I don't love you, bitch. Die.
Wow.
It's like, no.
He told me to die, but y'all, I think this has got to be one of the best mods I did to my car. This is the hood I had before on my Chrysler 300. And I can't wait to get rid of it. It's a nice hood and all, but it just like, I want the red eye Charger one. Yes. Hi, SRT Bray. Did you see my new hood?
No.
Come look. Oh! I tried to cut it already.
Damn.
Yes, sir.
First in
Gotta,
Michigan.
oh shit. But we gotta cut right here. The cut out of
Y'all seen it here. Brick got keys the first one to have it. So if anyone else get it, they dig suck and they
Yep.
copy.
Come on, baby.
Oh.
All right, guys. I don't know where we left off, but I gotta cut the hood. I gotta cut the hood right here.
He mad because his wee-wee fake.
He mad because he got a fake wee-wee.
Little pink big boy.
Pink big boy. But yeah, I took my old hood off and I sold it already. He's gonna give me yellow merch, but yeah, I sold my hoods already, guys.
If you wonder why the camera is so low, it's because I refuse to stand up, you guys.
Say goodbye to the Viper hood. You will never see another Viper hood 300 from Brick again. That Viper hood is terrible. But now we're going to show you guys how to cut a hole for the supercharger. Our red eye Chrysler jailbreak hood should fit. So we're gonna go pull our Hellcat in and put the hood on.
Yeah, because we're not doing that shit in the cold again.
Yes.
We'll be back, guys. What's up, dude?
Welcome to Buffex.
Look at this shit.
Yes.
Your screws are still in here. Let me grab your screws.
We stripped my car.
Did you get your other screws from your dad?
You want to put on your hood?
Yeah. So now we can finally have windshield wiper sprayers. Cause I didn't have it on my other hood. Cause I didn't cut the hose. Huh?
Can I get your tripod? Bam.
You going that side?
Oh, you want me to help you right now? Pop it.
Did you just try to push it? With it down.
The bolt's not tight.
I mean, with it already down though.
You gotta move up your bumper too.
Alright. Adjusting hoods is so hard. I hate it.
Yeah. You gotta push up your bumper too, cause look at this gap over here.
Pull it. There you go.
Can the hood be pushed up?
What?
Yeah, it can.
Like forward. Oh yeah, good.
Because the hood is all the way down on this side. See, it's way closer now.
Yeah.
Just need to go back a little
Go
bit.
back a little bit. Right there.
See, it feel the gap ain't good though compared to the other hood.
Was the other hood better?
No, the
Hell
other
no.
hood's
It had a fat ass gap.
You can stick your finger in the hood.
You know you need a 10 though. You need a 10 though for that.
Oh well. Just the bumper needs some adjusting.
Excuse me, sir. I'm trying to show you viewers.
Getting to get painted, so. Perfect. I love it.
Good job.
Yes. Thank you, Zane. Everybody spam W for Zane in the comment section.
Dub Zane. Yay!
Hey, Nick. Look.
That's such a hater.
Nick is a hater. I feel like he is.
We'll be back once he figures this.
Like that
Look
shit?
at the hateration all over his face.
Shit weak as fuck, bro. Yeah.
It is weak. I ain't gonna lie.
Bro, this shit ass.
Y'all did all that arguing over a hood. How y'all both feel?
This shit is weak as hell.
Bro, this shit ass, bro.
Aren't you glad you let him buy it first?
He tried to be in competition with me so bad. Now you don't like it. No. Do you really like it? You don't like it? No. Why not?
Because the vent is fucked up.
Because of this.
What's wrong with the
It's not fitting right.
It's the cheapness. It doesn't want to put in. The tractor hoods do the same thing though. I gotta try to bend these down or something.
No, that's okay. Just go ahead and take this shit off.
No.
Go ahead.
Back the fuck up, if I knock the fuck out you.
Damn, man.
Pussy.
This one completely broken.
You like my new truck though?
You look gay.
Nigga, I'm about to post a pic on top of it.
About to fuck yourself up.
Bro, I can't even jump on top of this.
You gotta use the tire to get up there. Look little as hell next to that truck. Real street nigga. You need a ski on.
I can see you with a TRX.
Yes,
Fucking bumper.
I see.
This shit is ass.
It's like you're having a hard time.
15? No. Who got a 15?
How that nigga gonna leave you down bad like this? Yes.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we're back with another sick vlog. Boom. Cut.
With another sick fucking video.
Yeah, radical.
They both suck.
Rookies. Rookies. You got it, Papa Bear. Yo, what the fuck are you doing here this late? You have to drop off the key.
My daddy did a good job.
Move U-Haul and then reverse it back.
Yeah, just put some silicone. We got motion, boys. Wait, move the U-Haul.
Yes, bro, you block these cars.
Brick. Alright, guys.
Snapped in halfway and then
And then it fell out.
Hey, please
'cause the
keep
bolt-
in your video. I look so fine.
Okay.
Faggot.
And I cut into you. You ain't watched my video last time.
I did. Yeah.
All right, y'all. So, as y'all can see in the last few clips, I ended up installing the hood. So, we're gonna be doing. So, as y'all seen in the last few clips, I installed the hood, and today we're gonna be changing the oil. This a whole nother day. Fast Life Nick, you was hating in the last video. How you feel about my hood? Nigga, fuck you.
Nigga, fuck you.
Fuck you.
Bitch boy. Bitch made boy.
You're gonna give me copyrighted.
Copyrighted.
I mean, not copyrighted. You're gonna give me yellow marked.
Nigga, fuck you.
Nigga, fuck you. That's why I changed oil faster than you.
Says who?
Says me. Huh?
Okay.
Okay. But I gotta change my oil. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab everything you need. So first thing you need is a 10 mil, which is not here, to unloosen the under panels. And then you need a 13 to do the drain. Hopefully it's right here. Alright, so we got the 10 and the 13 is still missing. Alright, so we removed the under panel. It ain't really nothing under here to see with the under panel down here. So we gotta remove that right there. That's the oil filter. And this right here, that's the drain pan. So we gonna go get the drain. That's the drain plug. So we gotta go grab the drain pan and dump all the oil out. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I'm a weak bitch. This nigga Nick fucked around and turned that bitch. I couldn't even get it off.
Yeah, this bitch on there though. Like,
I don't know why the fuck I be tightening shit that tight. But you got it to turn though?
yeah, I've literally seen it turning. You got it.
This nigga
I
is...
can't get good.
It's turning?
Yep.
You are a real street nigga, bro. Like, I ain't gonna lie. You the lightest, light skin is the realest street nigga I know. Like, oh my God. Like, when I just wake up in the morning and look at you, I just can't believe that you're such a street nigga.
Bro, I can't get the grip on this bitch.
It's still tight to the point where you can't turn it with your hand.
Oh no, it's good. No,
All right, bet. Good looking, guy. Be safe. Love you. All right, y'all. He got it loose for me. I couldn't get it, so we got to go ahead and throw the gloves on and then loosen up that filter. Feel me? Then we got to pull the drain plug out. All right, so we got to lube up the new filter. Make sure it got lube on it so it won't be hard to come off like the other one. And then after that, we got to put the drain plug on and then put the new oil back in there. All right, y'all. So we putting the oil back in there. We real street niggas, so we don't have a funnel. So when you pour it like this, just make sure you pour it slow so it don't spill out over to the side. You got to stay about this flow right here, and it'll be all right. You got to do this 7 times. So I'm going to get back with y'all when I get done doing it because I don't want to spill oil everywhere. All right, y'all, we buttoned everything up. We put all the oil in there and we checked it. So now we're going to go ahead and reset the oil life and pull out the car out. So to reset the oil life, you got to put it in run. You got to go down the oil life. It's at 9 right now. Reset it and then start it. We all good. So we're going to go ahead and pull the car out now. y'all, this is the end of this video. I appreciate y'all. Let me know what y'all think about the new hood. I still got to get it painted and wrapped, but other than that, let me know what y'all think about the hood. And let me know if I helped y'all if y'all do oil changes. I know I didn't go into detail, but there's plenty of videos out there showing people how to change oil. So I didn't want to go into detail about that, but I love y'all. Like, comment, subscribe, and tell a friend, share, and do all that YouTube stuff. Okay.